T&G, the epitome of Chinese JBL knockoffs. One of the most known ones as well, for its poor construction quality and the fact that they sound like okay-ish for the price. This was 20 quid on AliExpress. Everywhere else it's like 40, but it should be valued about 20. So this is the special TG657. So far I've only seen the one thing that everybody hates on these. No visible screws. Literally none. So we need to find them, don't we? My biggest assumption is either like under here somewhere or under these rubberized parts. So first I'm going to check under here. Nope. And that's just a hole for that, okay. My next assumption was under here, and there are screws in this bottom part and the top part. Lovely. So should we get to unscrewing those? I need something to prop this up on. Let's just use this. Nah. Right, so that is one part unscrewed, and the passive radiator's on here. Oh, they're not even glued on, apparently. Look at that LED board. By the way, yes, it is on. See? I just turned off the LEDs for more viewing pleasure because it blinds people. Right, so that is the other side unscrewed, and this entire thing should just kind of flop off. Yep. And the passive radiator goes over with the other one. I'm going to put these in like piles of separate things. 8 screws holding the thing together. Right, so now all we need to do is take this shell off, which I'm assuming is just a pull off. Because there aren't any other screws that I can see. Yeah, this part comes off by pulling up on it, okay. Oh. Oof, there's one side, and the other side just kind of flopped off, it seems. Be careful with this just in case the buttons are wired on. Oop. There we go. These aren't wired on. Apparently, they're just like pressure points. Because if you look carefully on this, it's like points on here that you can press, you know. So far you can see that there are indeed 2 drivers, and these buttons here control the volume of my phone. Cool. Now, I'm going to put these screws in with the passives. I mean, it makes sense, they came out the passives, so they should be grouped with the passives. Now this side looks like it can come off, so I'm going to be very careful while unscrewing that now. Right, so guys, I finally unscrewed the I/O board. Make sure I don't lose any screws there. Put that over there. Now it seems that the way that it works on the power button, how they make it so that you have to hold is a coil of wire that like builds up charge, and then when you let go it disperses all of that charge, and if enough voltage gets to it, it turns on. But if you press it, it switches modes just like a normal button. Interesting. So in here, I've also lightly taken apart this. I don't want to mess with it much because it's still a good speaker. I still use it. But there's